Well, these are definitely the best pumpkin seeds that I have ever made, and it was pretty nice to be able to roast them right in the wood stove. This is the Bun Baker XL. It's a Vermont wood stove. I'll put a link in the description to this stove. It's one of the only stoves on the market that has the ability to actually bake in it. It has a full oven in it. The oven is a little bit tricky to get used to. It's not quite like a regular oven, and you know, adjusting to a certain temperature and having it set there is not quite possible all the time. So we do have to, you can adjust the fire using the air vents on the side and the front, as well as there's a damper for the actual oven that you can turn on and off to put more heat towards the oven or direct more heat away from the oven. So a little bit of tweaking, and once you get used to using this oven, we can bake pretty much anything in here. I mean, you can get this thing up to 450 to 500 degrees with a good fire going in there, no problem. Of course, you don't have to have a wood stove oven to roast your pumpkin seeds, or a wood stove with an oven. You can also roast them just right in the pan, right on the top of the wood stove. It just requires a little bit more stirring around and keeping them moving so they don't burn to the bottom of the pan. But you definitely could put the pan right on top of the wood stove and roast them that way. And of course, you can use a regular oven if you don't have a wood stove at all. Roasted pumpkin seeds is definitely a family favorite as far as a snack goes, and they're super easy to make. It doesn't take that long, and it really only has 3 ingredients: butter, salt, and pumpkin seeds. I have definitely fallen in love with this wood stove. It has been awesome to cook with as well as to heat our home with. You'll probably be seeing some more videos on cooking some things in the Vermont Bun Baker over here. We have a lot of fun with this. So as always, guys, don't forget to hit thumbs up on the video. And if this is your first time to the SSL Family Dad channel, of course, subscribe to follow along. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one. I'm on fire. I'm not gonna be able to sit here very long. This is weird having an audience. Can you see this? My little bowl of pumpkin seeds. I'm so hot. Cook hams, and I don't need to say all this. I don't know why I'm talking about all this stuff. Oh my gosh, it's burning my back. So one of the things that we just really, I don't really need to say that, we haven't carved pumpkins in 2 years.
Something that we'd love to do, but we haven't actually done in a couple of years is carve pumpkins. But this year we ended up doing it, and that's
a lot of extra words. I'm actually sweating right now.
Do it!
Seeds from roasting pumpkin seeds, pumpkin seeds, pumpkin seeds. Roasted pumpkin seeds are definitely a family favorite snack, though. They're healthy, and I don't know, are they healthy? I can't really say that either. If I don't get this video clip done soon, I'm gonna sweat to death.
Say that again.
So roasting, no.
We carve pumpkins. We like to carve pumpkins. That's cool. Okay.
I'm burning. I like doing videos by myself. I only wish that we had more pumpkins throughout the year so we could, I don't need to say it is stupid. And it's not really healthy. It's covered in butter and salt. It really only has 2 ingredients, butter, and it has 3 ingredients. There's salt too. All right, I have to get away from this.